Okay, so as you can see, as you're coming down the boardwalk here, you got your caution signs and everything. And, well, I guess it wouldn't be Cape Cod if it didn't have the shark warning and the tips to avoid them. You know, no dogs on the beach. Swimming, water quality is acceptable. No lifeguards on duty. This is a deer tick habitat. Information about the different birds. So here you go. I mean, we got piping plover, the least tern, the American oyster catcher, along with seagulls. Lots of seagulls. Seagrass. Today's supposed to be a stormy day. So, what we're going to end up doing is we're going to stay out here as long as you can. It's still the ocean. It's still beautiful. Rain or shine coming out here. Again, don't harass or handle the chicks. Pretty sure they meet the birds on that one, but the wind is kicking up, coming up off the ocean. You can see the storm coming out there in the distance. Everything is just real chill for right now. Man, what a day. I've already been out grooming the sand. You can tell by the tracks, but you know what? It's days like today when it ain't real busy and you just want to hang out and comb through the sand to see what you can find. Metal detectors that have a ball up here, but Sea Gull Beach, great views of the ocean. If it wasn't so damn windy, it'd probably be a better day. I'll try not to get you in the shot. Good morning. Yeah. That's the Atlantic, baby. You never know what's going to happen out here. So, I think what I'm going to do for now is finish my coffee, have a couple of, two of breakfast with the seagulls, and see if these guys are going to come back and hit me up for money and kick me off the beach. Talk to y'all soon.